Hello everyone, welcome to KBK channel. Today I'll show you a delicious mushroom masala curry, and it's an excellent side dish for chapati, rice or even with biryani. So without making any further delay, let's get started. The ingredients required are 250 grams of mushroom, halved, 1 medium sized onion finely chopped, 2 medium sized tomatoes finely chopped, around 4 to 5 green chilies, around 4 cloves, 1 small size cinnamon stick, 1 bay leaf, around 10 to 15 cashew nuts, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera, 1 tablespoon mustard seeds, half a tablespoon garam masala, half a tablespoon kasuri methi, 1 tablespoon coriander seeds powder, and half a tablespoon cumin powder, half a tablespoon turmeric powder, salt to taste, around 3 tablespoons of oil. Let's see the preparation. In a preheated pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated up, add cloves, cinnamon stick, bay leaf, onions. Now goes in green chilies. Give it a stir and fry until the onions become slightly brown. Now goes in ginger garlic paste. Fry until the raw smell goes off. Now goes in tomatoes, cashew nuts. Give it a good mix and fry until the tomatoes are become soft and cooked. Now transfer this into a mixie jar and make it into fine paste. Now the masala is ready. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Once the oil is heated up, add mustard seeds, cumin seeds. Once it starts crackle, add mushrooms, and now add coriander seeds powder, turmeric powder and cumin powder. Give it a good mix. Close the lid and cook for 1 minute. Now the mushrooms are 70% cooked. Now add grinded masala along with 1 glass of water or as per your required consistency and 1 tablespoon of salt. Now close the lid and cook for 2 minutes. Now add garam masala, kasuri methi and cook for another 30 seconds. And finally add coriander leaves. That's it. Our delicious mushroom masala curry is ready to serve. I hope you like this recipe. Please do like, comment and share my videos with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for latest recipes. Thank you.